back to my YouTube channel. Happy good afternoon, viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm still by the name of Dominic. So today we are going to learn about Microsoft Excel, short form MS Excel. We are going to start with the definition, some of the features it uses, the functions of MS Excel, and how to use the features in MS Excel, and how to do designs using MS Excel. So that's a brief introduction of what we are going to learn today. So without wasting time, let me begin by the definition of the word MS Excel and the uses. So by definition, MS Excel is a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft for organizing, calculating, and analyzing data in a grid of rows and columns. And that's a brief definition of the word MS Excel. So let me break it down. When I said it organizes data in a grid of rows and columns. So this small division, the worksheet, these small divisions is what I meant when I said rows and columns. So let me begin by telling you what rows are and what columns are. So in this worksheet, we are seeing the vertical divisions and the horizontal divisions. So the columns are the columns are the vertical divisions in a worksheet identified by letters, while the rows are horizontal division in a worksheet identified by numbers. So as you can see here, these numbers A, B, C up to Z, they represent the columns, and the numbers from 1 up to infinity, they represent the rows in a worksheet. So those are two features in the worksheet. Another feature is called a cell. A cell is the intersection of a row and a column, where the row and the column intersect. In fact, let me say like the small box, one small box, that's a cell, because it is where the row and the column intersect. The vertical line and the horizontal line intersect to form a box, and the box is called the cell. And another feature is called the active cell. Active cell is the dark outline which shows the cell which you are currently working on. Like when you are typing when you want to enter numbers or a message in a row, in a cell, you will see that the cell which is currently in use, it has a dark outline and the lines are thicker than other cells. And that line which is thicker makes it called the active cell, and it indicates that it's the cell which is currently being in use. That's what we call the active cell. So Microsoft Excel, MS Excel, also performs a basic number of operations. It can be used to create graphs, charts, or any other shape you want to create using the Microsoft Excel. It can be used to design report cards for students in schools by the teachers. It can be used to keep records of finances in business, like the paying records, payment rolls, and it can also be used to keep, or let me say, like to keep details about patients in hospitals by the doctor. Those are three uses of Microsoft Excel. So I can take you brief how to some of the features in the Microsoft Excel. In the earlier video, earlier when I started the video, I told you we have rows and columns, but Microsoft Excel consists of many more features which is used to simplify work when using it. Like they have formulas which are used for performing basic calculations. To give the desired output. Like in schools when teachers are entering results here or creating report cards, or in businesses when they are calculating the total salary earned by people minus the taxes. They use these formulas here, which others are built in by the Microsoft, but others are not built in. They are all used to perform basic calculations in Microsoft Excel. So formula is another feature which is used to perform calculation in the Microsoft Excel. So that's a brief introduction I can give about Microsoft Excel. Help me and subscribe. Hit the like button so that in the next video you see that I'm going to discuss about the Microsoft Excel. My next video, it will be about the errors we make while using Microsoft Excel. So see you in my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you should be notified when I drop the next video. Thank you.